Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back. This is my new toy right here. It is the Field & Stream Shadowcaster 12.3 or 123. I just bought it. Haven't even tried it out yet in the water. That's what we're going to do right now. There's a lot of videos already reviewing this, so I'm not really going to review it. I know when I watch videos on kayaks, the only things I want to know is, am I going to flip and can I stand on it? And let's go find that out. Alright, so I'm standing up. Feels alright. It's a little shaky, but I probably just need to get used to it. So you know what, let's try to do some fishing. Didn't even realize it. This one's all messed up. First fish on the kayak. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but the wind is kind of pushing me around a bit. I thought with a heavier kayak, it's about 95 pounds, that it would hold me better in place, but it is taking me over to the lily pads here. Nice. Man, this one's all messed up too. Take a big chunk out of him. That's with the wrong people. Alright guys, so that's the Field & Stream Shadowcaster 12.3 or 123. And this is the forest camo color. So that means it's a 2019 body. I think I have a fish, hold on. Alright, so yeah, forest camos 2019. It has the Field & Stream logo etched onto the pad. And for $8.99, so far so good. It's gonna get a lot of use. You're gonna see it a lot, so I'm probably really in bad shadows here. All right, well, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the boat, just leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer it as best as I can. All right, thanks.